Hello guys, welcome to Programming Bro. I am RK. In this section we are going to create our first website in HTML. So just I'm going to open my folder in which I had created. Just go to HTML project S. Here I'm going to create a index.html. Then I'm going to just create another folder called CSS. In this CSS I'm going to add my all CSS these files here. In this I'm going to create a new file. Here I'm going to make it index.css because I have many more things here I have to add here. Just I had made this thing. Here I'm going to open. I have to cut this thing and going to paste in this part. Just I have to remain this also rename. Come here, then just cut this thing. Alt S. OK. Press OK. Then yes, we have made this thing. Now I'm going to open my index.html. Just I'm going to add boilerplate. First of all, I'm going to set up my web browser for my index.html. So just I'm going to pause this video. Here I had set up my website here for my index.html. For web development, just I'm going to make it top here, just to make it here like this. Now first thing we have to create a navbar here. First of all, we're going to create every day a page. Means in 4 days we're going to complete our whole website here. First is our menu here. Alt Z here. First is menu, so I'm going to use menu tag. In HTML we have just a one menu tag, so we not need anything here. Another is our section tag, means our then our footer of footer. This much I have here. Now first of all, I'm going to target navbar here. I'm going to give a class of navbar. Here in this I'm going to take an UL tag, means unordered list. Here you can take order list also. Here I'm going to make L plus here. Here I'm going to add home, then tab, then another tab, then services. But we are not going to create a responsive website here. Just we are going to create a mobile side website. So in future we are going to create a responsive website on mobile also. Just another is about section, then our contact box. If anyone needs help, he can contact us. Not content, contact. Sorry. Yeah, I have to use that. Yes, we have just used this thing. Now contact. We have just used this thing. All then contact T is capital here. Alt S. Then view our page in our browser. Reload. We have not given file name also. Index.html. Yes, we have a navbar here. First I'm going anchor tag here. Just I'm going to do Control Alt down to replicate the cursors here. Just I'm going to give a anchor tag, then href means to which page you want to visit here. Just I'm going to cut this thing, all text, then just come here, then write. First of all, I'm just going to add blank here. Just add flash, then just I'm going to close everything here. Alt V. Oh, like this is happened. Just copy this part only now. Alt C, Alt V, Alt V, Alt V. Yes. Save now. Let's see what is our result now. Is going to get in blue color, I think. Yes, is in blue color. Just I'm going to pause this thing. No, not pause. Just I'm going to open my CSS file, index.css. First of all, we have to link this file to our here. First I'm going to make, we're going to create a food restaurant here, food restaurant website here. Just I'm going to make RK foods, just like foods, yeah, RK foods. We make like this, alt s, then we have to link the, just write link, then CSS. Here you have to give the path here, so just write CSS, write your path where you have stored as index.html, alt s. First of all, we have to remove all the margin and padding here, so just make, we have to remove default margin and padding here. Just make margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, alt s. Now let's see the account s, it is working. Our style sheet has injected properly here. Why showing me like this? Just come, the universal is known to be slow. Oh, one, all z. Yes, here just we going to make, now just we going to target nav. First I'm going to add a basic nav bar. Otherwise, let's create a style sheet for nav bar only, because nav bar and footer is same in all file, all websites here, all pages here. So just I'm going to make nav.css. In this I'm going to target my nav bar here. So just I am just going to make this. First of all, I have to link this also. The means like this, just link, then CSS, just like this, then CSS, then we want our nav.css, alt s here. It is for navbar only, but I'm just going to add a navbar tag here, comment here, navbar for, just I'm going to make it global here, because global file, global file, navbar global file means to every HTML folder I can use that file here. Now just I'm going to target, so just make nav bar, then like this. I think nav bar is yes. Here now I'm going to target my UL. First I'm going to make it, I'm going to give it an height of 100%, and weight is I'm not going to give an width height here, Just going to give an background color. Just I'm going to give RGB values here. RGB, sorry, RGB, RGB. Just I'm going to make 50, 50, 50. RGB, red, green, blue. RGB. Yes, just see the result here. It's working or not. Reload. Yes, it's working. Yeah. Just I think I should increase some 70 will work here. 70 all test. Reload. Yes, it's working here now. Just another way. Here I have to target nav bar ul. In new bar I'm going to target ul tag here. So just make it first. I'm going to make it a line item here. First I don't want anything, just I'm going to make display block to make for it's going to take whole the width here of parent here. Block this block here. Yes, it's block now. Just I have made this thing here. Now nav bar, then I want to in ul I want a line just like this. Here I'm going to make display display should be inline block because I'm going to give it width and height also. Inline block here. I had just given inline block all test. Just now see how it's going to work now. Reload. It's working now. But I want some margin and padding also, so just going to do with this. First of all I'm going to give width of, otherwise just I'm going to leave that only. Just going to add a padding of 6 pixel from all side, and I'm going to add in margin also of 3 pixel, just 3 pixel. Add it now. Another is all test. Just see the result here. Reload. Yes, it's working now, but I want everything in center here, so just I'm going to make it like that. So a line item first. Here I'm going to make it a line item because we have text align center all test. Let's see the result here. Reload. Yes, it is center now. If I am going to make it in desktop view now, just identity as desktop. Here just reload this thing. First of all alt C, then cut this thing. Here I'm going to open browser again. Here just paste that part here. Now it is in, just leave, sorry, first of all I'm going to make in top part here. Yes, it is working now. Just come here, minimize this. I had just made a line item here. Now I have to target anchor tag here. Nav bar ULLI, but giving this path absolutely is not. It is a just part. Yeah, I don't know. It is a safe way to make that you are targeting correct tag or not. If you just remove li from here, it's going to target In navbar we have ul. In ul we have all anchor tags, means it's not recommended that it's in li only. So just for safety we are just giving the absolute part like this here, like navbar li then a anchor tag. So first of all I'm going to make, sorry, background not color should be in RGB values here. RGB 200, 200, sorry, not 2000, 200. Alt S, another reload S. We made this thing here. Now, how to remove this line from this? How to remove line from home, service, about, like, first of all we have an CSS property for that, which is, what is that? And that is text decoration. I had just forgot now. I had just remain is just none. You can make it none here. Alt S. There are many attributes in this thing. Just I'm going to make you first are basic. If you make the, sorry, underline line this thing, it is the default value of our, like this, which is just I'm going to make it none here only, just none. Alt S. But it is looking some, it is not looking so good here, so just I'm going to make it like, how, what, just I'm going to make like this. Just I'm going to increase the font weight italic. I think I should italic, sorry, font style here I have to make like this. Font style, font font weight also work like that, but we have some measurements in that there. So just I'm going to make it bold here, bold, bold. Alt S, font weight, reload. Oh, sorry, I think it is font weight only. Font weight, yes, it is font weight. I don't know that much. Just reload and see. It is, yes, it is font weight only. Here I think I should make it some little dark here, so make just increase 10, 10, 10. If I not increase, it going to get another color, so just I'm going to increase in all here. Yes, there is some little change here, not much many thing here. Now this is for navbar here, and I'm going to style footer also here. First footer here, come to footer, just I'm going to give a class of footer here, class footer. Here I'm going to make footer here only. Another is here just I'm going to write our website is created in this. Here I'm going to add an anchor tag here, anchor tag here I'm going to make like anchor. Here I'm going to add href also. Oh, sorry, like this. Then I'm going to add like this video link here, so just leave this thing. In this channel I'm going to make like this, in this channel here our website is created on this channel like this. Alt S. Here I'm going to bring my, just I'm going to pause this video now for a while. I am back guys. Here I just copied my YouTube channel link here. Just come here like this, come here, Alt V here. Yes, it is now. Alt is it working or not, I'm just going to see. Just come here, reload. Oh sorry, I have not written anything in this anchor tag, so I'm programming pro programming pro, like this, not pro Alt S. Just reload the part. Yes, it is now. If I mean, oh, it is working now. Just go back. First of all, I'm going to give a target also for just making. Here I'm going to add a target tag also. Oh sorry, here I'm going to add a target tag also. To open the page in new tab here, just write target, then underscore blank. If you write like this, the page will open in next page here. If yes, we get new tab here like this. First we are just loading our page in this file only. So just I'm going to minimize this thing, added like. Now I'm going to target here only, just right. Otherwise I just going to use a pseudo selector for this here. Just I'm going to write Alt X. Just I'm going to write like this, Alt S. Here 5 minutes. Here we have to use, just I'm going to target footer dot footer, means footer class, footer tag with footer class. I'm targeting like this. I'm going to use pseudo selector here. Before I'm not tell you what is pseudo selector, just in next video I'm going to talk about that only. Just I'm going to make content, then just double quotes like this. I think I must use Alt Z. Come here, open a new file, and name anything. Just Alt V, Alt R here. Just I'm going to Alt R. Replace double quotes here. What is happening here? Double quotes with single quotes here. Oh sorry, I want to replace all to all. It is continued to all here, I think. Just Alt Shift A, sorry, Control Alt A, Alt X. Just close the part here. Okay, then just write in this part Alt V. Yes, it is work now. If I write like this here, you can see I just keep my footer tag blank here. Just it's working like bot. It's just giving me a link here. So just I think I can't do like that here. If I make here, just I'm going to close this part here. Sorry, just leave this part. I not want anything. So Alt Z, what happened, I don't know. just do like this, like this here. If I just going to make like this, like this, like this, come here and like this, alt s, alt f, it's had been on here. I think I have not pressed alt s here. Just reload the file there again. We have same part. I think we can't do like this. Come here, alt z, 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 alt z. Here I'm going to remove till this here. Here we have to do like this. Come here, alt v, alt shift f. Oh sorry, we can't use in this here. Just come in format, press format here. Yes, alt s. Here again we have to just I'm going to make it background. I think I should copy the background and like this, alt c, oh sorry, alt z, alt v, here, alt s here. Now control, sorry, I think I don't know why I use like this. Now I have to use anchor tag here. Just come here, alt c, footer, which footer do I want? Just copy this part, paste here down, alt v. Here I want anchor tag here. Then just close this part, alt s. See what is working. Yes, it is working now. Just minimize part. Now I'm going to give an margin and padding here. Padding of, just I'm going to give of 5 pixels here from all sides. Margin of 3 pixels from all sides. I think I should give in y coordinate only. Then just I'm going to make like this. Now see the result. Reload. Yeah, it is working. But why is looking like this? Oh, I had made here a huge. No, I had not made it. Alt X, Alt S, Alt S here. Reload. Yes, I know why it's happening here. So just come here, make it 98%. Just I'm going to make like this. Now it's going to be okay now. Some little, I think I should decrease the width here again to make, just I'm going to make 95. Reload the part, it is okay now, but is looking some part here 95 is not okay. For this, just I'm going to make here just, otherwise just I'm going to make 100 sorry 100%. I had made it 100%. From X and from Y I had just given 5 pixel padding here. I'm going to give a margin also of just 3 pixel. I'm going to give it of 0 pixel, and just otherwise just I can do like this. it is not a good thing, but I like to do just margin top, margin bottom, bottom should be 0 pixel. If I do like this, it's going to be work now. Reload the part. Yes, it is working. It is working. Yes, it is working now. If I just do like this, now our part is to make everything in center here. So just going to use center. Not new bar here. Oh, sorry. New here we have to make width 100%. We have made this thing. If we make anchor tag, we can add a line item also. A line items text align. Sorry, text align center. It's going to work or not? I don't know. Just trying it. Alt. Sorry, not alt anything here. In our browser we have a shortcut of everything. Why do get thing like this? Oh, we have given margin and padding, I think. So it's, if we just comment this thing, alt slash alt z, if we do like this, alt slash alt s, what will be happen? It is my yes, it is like that only. Just minimize the part, alt z. Here we made this thing. We are just given margin is padding, and now alt s. Now work had been completed here. Now we have to go to index file. Here I'm going to make yes, I'm going to give a class of what can I add in this. Here I'm going to add a sections like this. I think I'm going to complete this index.html in 3 days here. In 3 days, in at least 1 week we're going to create our website here. If I just I'm going to make it, going to class client, no, about, we're going to create a pop-up box there. So just pop-up box, it is not a good thing. Just I'm going to create an about section, section, yes, about section we have created. Here we have to give an h1 tag about our website. Just I had given like this. Here I am going to use an paragraph tag here. Paragraph tag. Our website is the way through you, I think through you can order food from our hotel. No, just leave them. From our, just like this. Just I'm going to make our website is the way through you can order delicious, yes, I think delicious spelling is correct. Oh yes, I think delicious food. If spelling is wrong, don't do anything. I just going to reload this thing part. Yes, we have to make like this. First of all, we have to make everything center here. So just I'm going to add an center. You can just oh sorry, all that oh yeah, here you can just directly write center here, center tag, but I'm going to use here about section here like this. I'm not going to give any number here again, just about section, sorry, section, it is not working. Yes, about section. Here I want to center everything, just write align, text align, sorry, I get forgot every time, just center, alt s, reload part. Yes, we made this center now. I think I must create a border and give it width here. Just do it. I think just going to give a width of 150%. Just I'm going to give here height. Also I'm going to give 5 rems here, just 5 rems. Alt s, oh sorry, alt z, rem. Again I'm going to give an border of yeah, border should be 1 pixel solid tomato like this. Alt s, I think it should be royal blue, you can use royal purple also, but I'm just using royal blue here. Reload the part. Yes, we getting, but it is overlapping here in this part, so just I'm going to make it rem 8 here. Reload. Yes, it is now. I'm going to give border radius here, border radius, yes, radius of 20 pixel. Is get much more thing, just I'm going to add 5 pixel here. Let's see how it's working. Yes, I think I'm going to give a margin padding also. Margin, sorry, margin should be from 20 pixel from all side. I'm going to give an padding of 4 pixel. I can give it till 8 pixel here. Just I'm going to do it. Here I'm going to make it display block also. Here we have made this thing. Here I'm going to make display block s block alt s. Here I have to make it auto here, just auto in it. Here I'm going to make it 10 pixel here from y coordinate here. Just reload the part. Yes, it is working, it's looking good here. It is working here now. What can, for safety I'm going to add another tag here. Just copy this part here, alt C, alt V, this, come here. In P I'm going to add an property of, here I'm going to make it overflow x. In if it's getting overflow in x coordinate, it's going to auto. Just sometime it's not going to flow, so I'm going to give an auto here. Auto. Here I'm going to make it font weight, sorry, font weight italic, yeah, italic, sorry, italic as alt s. Just see the difference here. It is not working, but if I just, I'm going to make it font family here. Just here I'm going to copy a font family from Google here. Just come here at top, I'm going to paste it, alt s. Just come on here, just open a new tab, sorry, open a new tab, Google font, type Google font, just like this. If you go Google fonts, as we get fonts.google.com, it is an subdomain category. Just I'm going to maximize this part here, so king type, but I want some good noto serif. What is noto serif? It is little bit, what is happening here? Must I want, oh, it is looking some good. Just I'm going to copy link here. Here I'm going to open my browser here, sorry, here Chrome browser. I'm going to open Chrome browser here. Just Chrome browser, hit tab, then Control V, paste this thing. I'm going to open this in a desktop view site here. Here we have just made this thing. Oh. Fonts we get, and fonts and many more. Types are menu. Select this, select this, select this. I am going to select this here. As I want add more, embed. Just copy this part. If you come here, just you have to copy this link here. Copy, and I want to paste in this thing. As here I'm going to paste at top of it's what is happening here. My mobile is lagging here. Just alt V, alt S here in index, otherwise it is for all pages, so I'm going to make it here only at universal selector. Just give it, go to here, just paste font families, Peter. Just close this thing here. I not want anything here now. I'm going to close everything because I think it is getting more lagging by screen recording and multitasking. Just press this Alt S. If I just load the part here, so reload the part, you can see our is working here. Our text is working. It is looking very beautiful. So just now, yes, it is working. Now what can we do here? Now I think it is get more longer here, so I'm going to pause this video now here. Bye bye, let's see in next video. First of all, I'm going to here I'm going to target some particles also. Footer, I think I doesn't use anything here. Just here I'm going to make display fixed fix sorry, position fixed. What I getting forgetting everything. Position fixed fixed at bottom, sorry, bottom 0 pixel. Alt S. I'll save this part here now. Let's see the difference. Reload the part. Yes, now it is get downside here. Now yes, it is working, but is overlapping on this. But no one's mobile should be like this here, like so much smaller. Yes, our font is getting overlapping. Sorry, I think I must use in para. I think I have not used that part. Yes, I have not used it. Make it overflow X here. It's going to be auto here. Sometimes it's not going to overflow. Just I'm going to like this. Reload, but it is not working. If otherwise, just I'm going to paste this part here. Alt X and Alt V, Alt S. It's going to make everything else. It is not overflowing here. I'm going to add a href here. Href HR, then close this part, Alt S. Oh, why is we getting it? And just do like we get and like this. But why we getting an name entry got none? Why we relationship href we have given name entry got none? Why is showing error here? Named entry href link relation also had been given properly. Then why href type here? I think just leave this error here. It is not basic here. Now we have just created a beautiful website like this. If I just make it top here, like top, where is top like this, I'm going to pull like this down. If it is overflowing, it's going to show me like this. Otherwise, just remove this part here. Alt S. Oh, here we made up. Here I'm going to target directly H1 here like this. H1, sorry, Alt Z. Here, come here and type H1. Then I'm going to add border bottom should be 1 pixel solid. Come here, just I think I have to copy from this here. Oh my goodness, I just want this part here from this RGB values. Alt C, come here, paste Alt V, Alt S. It's going to be look very beautiful now. Yes, it is looking beautiful. Now in next video we are going to continue this part only. Just is not doing anything. It's looking very beautiful website. So goodbye, let's meet in next video.